Hello. So, make sure this bad boy's on. So, hi everybody. The sun's array today. Today is Sunday. By the time you see this, it will have been last Sunday. And that's why I still have on makeup, but I'm also in my PJs. I've already gone to church. I've already had lunch. I just have not had a nap. And as I'm speaking, in about 1 minute, on my main channel video, my Whisper Challenge video is going to be live. As well as the premiere of my new vlogging channel, which it had already uploaded, but most of you guys will probably suss it out by the Whisper Challenge video. You'll be like, oh yeah, there's a vlogging channel. Let's go over there. I want to say ahead of time, the first vlog is not that exciting. I see you've stopped complaining. Hey, don't throw things at your mother. Seriously, don't throw that.
I could throw it at the wings.
No.
Mom, can we please go have something this weekend? Are you looking at House of Cat? You are! 2 against 1, we win. Two against 1, we win.
You don't win.
Yeah, I do, because it's 2 against 1.
Apparently, my teenager is having a meltdown today because she doesn't understand how grown-up life works.
You see something, you buy it.
We're not taking something that's not how it works. We're not taking it not seriously. We're not taking house buying seriously. We are waiting for our money to come in.
Don't we have money?
We have money.
Not enough for that.
Look at it! Hey! That's gross.
And watch you eat it.
Anyway. So that's what we're waiting on.
What money? We just get money for free?
Hey everybody. So the sun decided to come out all random. It has been hidden all day. And out of nowhere, it decided it was about to get bright outside. So my teenager has been begging us all day to be outside, to go outside and do something. It was just really gross earlier. Now it looks a little better. So we're all dragging ourselves up from our typical lazy Sunday plan. And we are trying. Ooh, yeah, almost died. Almost died just now. Almost died just now. Oh my goodness. I straight up almost bit the dust tripping over my iMac. Not my iMac. My computer. My MacBook Pro charger. Almost dying for social media. Is everybody ready? Patrick David, you're not dressed. Why? Why aren't you dressed, sir?
Because
Because why?
I have to put a shirt on and be out the door before you guys even get up.
Why is your voice dropped like 10 octaves? You and I both know your voice isn't that deep.
Because I was relaxed. Whenever you get relaxed, the voice still drop way down. Way down. Bring it way down. Way down low. And duck like this. So, vocal range. It's usually really high or really low. Not that good middle part.
Okay. Oh, y'all, let's get out of here. Yellow light.
Oh! Sit.
That's because you let him roll in the dirt, Daddy. Daddy, you let me roll in the dirt. What do you expect? You being a good boy, Grayson? We are at the corner store. Popping into your neighborhood Valero. Light's never good. Hi. We're gonna get us some junk food before we head out to this park. I'm so happy the sun came out. I mean, if I'm being really honest, it's kind of exciting. Ooh, that's a good idea. Because I need hydration. Is there, get the cucumber one? We should probably get one for Destiny too.
Green apple for Destiny?
She likes the cucumber one too.
Green apple, I think she like better.
Okay, well Daddy, you get her what you want to get her. They got in a pretty big fight today. They're all good now. But they don't fight very often because they love each other. She and I get in arguments all the time because she's my spawn. But her and her stepdad rarely get into fights. They just don't.
I'm gonna grab me a
Probably
burger.
just their personality.
So,
You getting what?
a burger or something, or a sandwich. So I'm hungry. Yeah, the meat stick's not gonna cut it for me.
Meat sticks for me. These are both mine.
I need protein.
These are both mine.
No.
Yes,
Yes.
these are both mine.
These are both.
No, these are both mine. You don't get to steal them this time.
We are one when it is convenient.
No.
My wife and her junk food habits. Serious problems. It's bad. Wanna vlog? Say hello. There you go. It's a YouTube channel.
The words are not well with him.
She's the boss. She already knows it. Oh, is that able to read? Try it again. You missed it. You should have been here earlier. There was a fight outside.
Really? With who?
I don't know. Two people. They just went.
Just two people
They
that
just
hate
went
him.
crazy.
Just randomly got into it. Aw.
Probably so sorry. I'm just
So do I. So Grayson's finally settled down. Okay, not about you. Look how cute he is right now, though. Look how cute he is right now. Look how cute. Hi.
You're angling it down
You
too
see
far.
this? No? Okay,
There you go.
sorry. Is it because you want it on you?
Weren't you talking about me?
No, I was talking about Grayson.
Oh boy.
Anyway, he's been running around with these puppies, and I nearly lost it when one puppy was not playing very nicely. And she's a pit bull, and she was way bigger than Grayson. And I'm not a pit bull hater, okay? Let me go ahead and put that out there. Not a pit bull hater, but she was not being nice. She was growling at him and chasing him and growling at him, and his tail was under him. He was not happy, and she was being so mean. Her daddy came and got her, which lets you know she was really being mean. My husband's like, he's fine. My dog almost died.
And my wife is over dramatic.
I'm not over dramatic. I am a parent. I don't mind letting him play. She was just being not nice. Her daddy took her away. Okay? Her own daddy came and got
Why
her.
are you so tired?
So, and took her away from playing with all the puppies. So,
This puppy.
not just our puppy. He took her from all the puppies, which lets you know she was not being nice.
We like getting off the leash and playing outside, huh?
Pat is enjoying puppy fatherhood way too much. He takes him to a dog park nearly like every day.
I took him earlier today.
He took him. This is the second dog park Pat has taken Grayson to. Pat, how much do you love your dog?
Your butts.
Your buds? What kind of buds? Best buds? The bestest of buds. Blood buds. It's the circle of life.
Falling off the tree.
My child. Look what I've done. Broken my child. She sings random songs throughout the day, just like me.
Hey there, party people.
I want to get out this heat. I'm over the park.
I'm not.
I'm over the park.
Look, let's go.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute. We're at my friend Nick and Natalie's today, and they've got this really gorgeous big house. And the boys are outside chit-chatting and being very, very secretive about their boy talk. Get the zoom in. Catch up on them, see what they're doing. Let's see. What you guys talking about?
Talk about how to make more money.
True that. I approve of that conversation.
You like that? So we're working on a business plan to formulate an extra $500 free dollars a month.
Ah. Well, I'll leave you to it. Plus, these dogs are.
It's gonna involve you doing all the work.
You said I'll be doing all the work? Psych! I'm waiting patiently for Patrick to lose.
99. You're up. Oh!
I've already lost. My daughter's doing pretty good.
I'm down to one chip.
But this guy right here, this guy right here, this guy's got a little.
got one chip here.
Playing 99.
Well, I'll just be happy if I get that.
Well, I'm not playing 99 because I lost. I'm just spectating.
I just wish we had you on YouTube for your loss so everyone could see how sore loser you really are.
I was not a sore loser.
That is not even true.
I was not a sore loser.
She was crying and throwing a fit.
That's
Look,
not
your
true.
makeup is dripping down.
Wow, no, that's not true.
How rude, he's lying.
Yes, thank
Going
you.
on,
All lies.
about how the game was fixed. And
You know what? You know what? I'm done. I can't. This one. You're a pastor. You're not supposed to lie, right?
I don't lie.
You did lie. You did. You straight up lied.
I guess you don't have a camera to prove it.
I'm surprised horns aren't like growing out of your head right now.
Nose usually grows. You can see it.
Not 80 anything.
94.
94.
98.
I just want Pat to lose. He only has
88.
one more left, right?
88.
How many chips do you have left,
94.
Ruby?
Thank you.
She's got one left. Natalie's beating everybody.
98.
98. Yeah, whatever. 99.
89.
You have all the 10s? 89.98.
99. Right?
Nope.
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 Wait, you
You
had
had
it.
a
Oh,
queen.
you lost?
Are you serious?
Oh!
No, I didn't. No,
No.
I didn't have a queen.
Oh, you didn't have a queen? Okay.
No.
So you're out?
Are you sure? No,
Yes.
that is.
Yes.
That would be
98 plus 2 equals
Now that I think about it,
99.
Yeah. I'm
Like,
You're next, Pat.
So are you out?
Wait,
All
let's
right.
not make a couple go head to head
Can
here.
we go home?
You're
Please put this up so that I can take you out.
you're next.
No, you're gonna lose and then it's gonna be Patrick and I head to head. And then I'm gonna win.
She's not gonna.
beg
She's not gonna lose. If anything, if anything, Nick's gonna lose. It is gonna be Natalie and Pat, and you're gonna just like, you're just gonna just be really upset that you're out. I can't wait. I really hope I get that on video.
it's not even that you can. It's like, what are you gonna do?
Exactly.
You dealt the hand you dealt.
So today was a surprising day. We ended up going to the dog park and then to a friend's house after, had some pizza, played some cards, and now we're at home. We have to bathe the dog and get ourselves ready for tomorrow because work begins. So I'm gonna end the vlog here tonight and say good night and thank you guys for watching, and you're the best.